15 years I've been waiting for you. The missing Pearadyne satellite. Welcome home.
Hey, Marshall, what time is it?
It says 9:45, but it's probably closer to 10. Your clock's always slow. What's the dish for?
I customized my computer to listen to a site that monitors radio signals from outer space. Listen.
That's a police call. And I'm thinking, Earth police?
Just give it a chance.
Baby monitor. Maybe an alien baby?
Okay, there it is.
That's static.
Space static. Nice, huh?
Yeah, nice. Keep your static down. I'm going to bed.
What else we got? Let's see what else is
The
up there.
Holsey High Owls ended its 5-year losing streak, edging the defending state champion Huskies 41-40.
Did you hear that?
Huskies have been riding a
Marshall!
46-game winning
Did you hear that?
Yes, I heard. Some sort of score.
Not just a score, our score. Blake Holsey beat Fillmore. He ended a 5-year losing streak.
Thought you hated basketball.
I do.
Then why all the excitement?
Because the game isn't until tomorrow night. I think we just heard a broadcast from the future.
Never had it, Blake Holsey, which was quickly